Thanks, Sherry, for having me, and it's great to be here talking to all of you. And what I really want to focus on is we've heard a lot about some of the great trends that we're on the verge of in education. What I want to talk to you about is how it's actually already happening in millions of classrooms in primary across the world. And so just a little bit more about Edmodo. Our mission is really at its core to be able to connect every learner with the people and the resources that they need in order to fill their full potential. And how we've done that is by creating an environment where teachers can securely connect with their students, share content, collaborate, and actually use educational apps to fundamentally augment the in-classroom learning experience. And when teachers are enabled to do that, they can deliver individualized instruction at tremendous amount of scale. So I think a lot of what the folks have said today really are at the heart of why Edmodo is so relevant, because there is a tremendous amount of change happening in terms of the types of content that teachers are looking for in order to help provide a high-quality learning experience for their students. So we've heard over and over again, out the window are textbooks and even first-generation integrated learning systems that were sold into schools specifically for lab-only use, and usually targeted at students that were in the remedial or advanced learning categories. And what's happening on Edmodo is actually what's happening in classrooms around the world, which are is really focused on this radical modularization of content for education, finally. And what we hear from teachers is that, well, they have access to textbooks, they really don't use them, physical or digital. What they're doing is leveraging their social graph. The fellow network of teachers, this very powerful network that they're at the center of, connecting to other teachers, parents, students, administrators, to actually start to surface the very best content. What's that specific modular of content to teach this very specific concept to this learner style? And with a platform like Edmodo, where we have nearly 15 million users coming together to learn, we can start to surface up that data for teachers and make those recommendations for them. And also create an environment for developers where we can connect them directly with the classroom so that they can start to build the education apps that teachers want to use with their students, rapidly iterate on that content, and have the best ideas bubble up to the top. So that's a little bit about kind of what we're seeing on the front around content and how the power of the network in terms of serving that up. I think another really key aspect of why this change is happening and why it's happening so fast is devices, and that was a great way to kick off the set of panels. As we see, Edmodo was launched in late 2008, and we were launched as a web tool. Very quickly, immediately following that, launched as mobile web and with native iOS and Android apps. And the speed at which Edmodo is being accessed through mobile and all of these devices in one-to-one environments, trends around bring your own device, bring your own technology to the classroom, is really accelerating this movement around making sure that we have the best content coming to the top and leveraging the network of users around the world to do that. So I think from here you can see from everything that everyone has said on the panel today, and from what we see in the millions of classrooms on Edmodo, and it's growing very quickly, is a much enormously more effective education experience, where you have customized classrooms, individualized learning playlists, have assessment interleaved into everything that you do, and accessible from any device, anywhere.
He's got 3 minutes.
I know, because I know we had some overtime, so I spoke very quickly.
Okay, no